Welcome to Talmudic Treasures. Today we are learning Megillah, page 20, which discusses that when it comes to any mitzvah, any commandment in which one does during the day, for example, the reading of the Megillah or the Brit Milah, the ritual circumcision for a child, you actually have the entire day to do it, which is an important thing to know, especially when it comes to, for example, Hallel. Hallel is recited during certain times, for example, Rosh Chodesh and the new month. If a person forgot to say Hallel and they remembered and now it's the middle of the afternoon, you still have the ability to be able to say Hallel throughout the entire day at any point. The same thing when it comes to shaking a lulav etrog, even though it's normally done during morning services. However, if a person was not able to obtain a lulav etrog during the Sukkot holiday, they can take the lulav etrog and shake it at any point during the day to fulfill the obligation. The Mishnah also talks about mitzvot which are at night, and at the end it discusses a general concept that any night mitzvah you have the whole night. And the Talmud tells us on the next page that this is coming to include the eating of the sacrificial carbon known as the Paschal Lamb, the carbon Pesach. And although we do not have a temple, therefore we do not eat karbanot, sacrifices, instead we bring matzah and we have what's called safun, or the afikomen, which interestingly, according to this opinion, you actually have the entire night to be able to eat the afikomen, which again represents the carbon Pesach in the times of the temple. However, Tosfot tells us that there are those that are strict, that when it comes to the eating of the afikomen, that because it is considered even nowadays a Torah-bound law, that a person should make sure to eat it before midnight. However, when it comes to the reciting of Hallel, which is said also in the Haggadah as part of the ritual on Passover evening, that one is able to continue to say even beyond midnight.